Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Lab. In the previous videos, we learned how to create a schema and we learned how to create tables inside the schema in MySQL. In this video, we will learn how to insert records in the table. So as you can see here, we have created a schema called first schema and there are a few tables we have created, employee, patient and student. Now, if you can see in this employee table, there are three columns. And let us see how many records are there. So as you can see here, there are no records inside this table. Let me try to insert a record. So the statement would be insert into first schema dot employee and emp id, name of the columns, emp name, emp date of birth. Close the brace, values. I will give 1, comma, employee 1, comma, a random date of birth I will add 2000 January 1st. Let me try to insert this record. As you can see here in the output, one row has been created. So let us run this select statement. As you can see, one record got inserted. So now, do we need to add these column names in the insert statement? The answer is it depends upon how many columns we are adding, and are we adding the how many columns we are adding the inserting the records. If we are inserting in all the columns, then we don't need this. We don't need to pass the column list. So I will remove that and give one more second record, employee 2 and January 2nd. Let me insert this one. As you can see, one more record got inserted. And now, suppose I don't want to give insert all the I don't want to insert the records in all the columns. I just want to insert in employee ID and employee name. In that case, I will just give the column names where I want to insert. As you can see here, one more record got inserted. Let me run the select statement. As you can see, without the employee date of birth, we can insert the employee ID and employee name. Now, I don't want to insert employee name. I want to insert employee date of birth. So let me insert as record number 4, and as we are inserting the date is 2000 January 4th. And let me insert this record, and you can see here one more record got inserted. Let me clean these messages. Let me run this select statement again. As you can see, 4 records got inserted. Now, suppose I don't want to insert employee ID. Is it possible? Let me demonstrate. So I am removing employee ID. I just want to keep employee. In the 5th record, I just want to have employee date of birth. Is it possible? Let us see. As you can see, it got failed because employee ID doesn't have a default value. So why it is throwing error for employee ID and not for others is there is a constraint we have added during the create statement, that is primary key is in the employee table, it is employee ID is the primary key. Now, what is primary key? Primary key The shortest definition of the primary key is unique and not null. The values should be unique and it should be not null. If I don't give any other values, only employee ID I have given, it also will work. Let me demonstrate that. As you can see, it also got inserted. So as you can see here, there is an employee ID record with no employee name and no employee date of birth. So now I have inserted in a few different ways how we can insert the record in the MySQL database table. I hope you understood. Let's learn more about update and delete and truncate and drop in upcoming videos. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.